Little Plumbing 101 here.
Little 8.
But change the bolts in the wax seal. Now we set the toilet. Mm-hmm. Good. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yep. Placing down, fits in the groove. And we got the washers and the nuts right here. All right. Then you take a 7/16 nut driver. And you tighten up a little on each side until you get it snug. Just as you see this plumber here doing it. Yeah, that's good. And if you have any wax come out, you can always take your little putty knife, scrape it off. Like that right there. You don't want to wipe because it'll just smear and make a mess. Then you snap your tall china caps on and voila. It's nice and secure. And that's how you install a toilet. After, we put the only thing left to do is to tie in the supply line.